make coffee. I just got her up and dressed for the day. You want to show them your outfit? Mm-hmm. All right, let's show them your outfit. She's got a white bow in her hair with all these colors. Her princess earrings, princess necklace,
my jacket.
Her orange jacket with her, what is it, like salmon pants and white socks. You like it? Do a spin. Woo!
I'm not a princess.
Oh, you're not a princess? What are you?
I'm not Gemma.
Oh, you're just Gemma?
Yeah,
She's just Gemma. Alright, well, let's make my coffee and your chocolate milk. What are you doing? You're in Grandpa's office? Doing what?
Giving him hugs.
Giving him hugs? How sweet. Jumping over Sky's bones? How fun is that?
This is for dropping.
Let me see a big jump. Whoa! That was huge. Good job. High five. Alright, we're gonna head out, go to Walmart with Sean.
No, we're going to the grocery store.
Well, it's the same thing. Come on, let's get in the car. This way. And we'll wait for Sean.
We're turning for some.
We can't?
No.
We have to. He's taking us. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. You carry everything, alright? Okay. Sounds like a plan to me. Let us know when it gets too heavy, okay? Yeah. It is now the next day and we're at the farm. Yep.
And we're waiting for Mike.
And we're waiting for Mike.
Yep.
Uh-huh. What are we gonna do?
Nothing.
We're not gonna do anything? Okay. Sounds good.
So you fed the chickens?
Oh, you fed the chickens. Hold it.
Okay.
And I'll open the thing so we can go feed them. Throw it.
Good job. Oh, do you like it? They're hungry.
There you go.
Yeah, look at him run. Ha ha ha. Little pig. Ha, ha, ha.
Throw it.
Round my finger and it's so quiet in the world tonight. Your little hands wrapped around my finger and it's so quiet in the world tonight.
You got him.
All done. Good job. All right, let's go. Run. Let me see you run. How fast? You're gonna go with Uncle Mike on their four-wheeler.
Yeah.
And check the deer cams.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
You're
You're going. What are you gonna do?
Check the deer cam.
You're gonna check the deer cams? Okay.
That's Mike.
With Mike?
Yeah. Hey, my sister's name?
I like your four-wheeler.
No, that's mine.
Oh, it's Mike's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know how to drive that beast?
You do? Vroom, vroom. Tell Mike to hurry up.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? Because taxes had me stressed.
You gonna go fast? You are? High five. Have fun.
Alrighty.
All right, Uncle Mike's gonna get on with ya. Woohoo! Look at that face. Bye!
Darling, don't ever go, don't you ever grow to see this middle. Oh, darling, don't ever go, don't you ever grow to see this middle.
There they are. I bet she's loving it.
Your little hands wrapped around my finger and it's so quiet in the world tonight. Your little hands wrapped around my finger and it's so quiet in the world tonight. Oh, darling, don't ever go, don't you ever go to see this middle.
He said all she wants to do is go fast. How was it?
Fun.
It was fun? What? Did you like to go fast? Yeah?
Oh, darling, don't ever grow. Don't you ever grow to see this middle. Oh, darling, don't ever grow. Don't you ever grow to see this middle. Oh, darling, don't ever grow. Don't you ever grow to see this middle. Oh, darling, don't ever grow. Don't you ever grow to see this middle.
Well, I already fed Allie and gave her some water. And now we're gonna let her run off some energy. Hi, Allie. Oh, you're gonna put out water. All right, hold on.
I poop.
Yep, Allie's poop.
Yeah, I poop too much. Remember?
There she goes. Well, someone's happy to be out running. She loves able to get out and run. That's her favorite thing to do when we come out here and feed her and water her. And if you guys don't know, we don't have to feed her and water her every day because she has a self-feeder and a huge thing of water, so we have to come out every other day and fill the water up. And then the food is fine because it's a self-feeder. So it's a big thing of food that keeps coming when she gets hungry or whatever. And now we're just letting her run out in the pasture. And Gemma's trying to catch her. There she goes! Woo! Aw, Allie likes you. Give Allie some love.
Yeah, I got the most.
Aw, how sweet of you. Oh, you give Allie a bath. She's filthy. And that's where she goes to get her food and water. This is that's her big thing of food. So once she eats, she'll eat and then the food will come down. And then that is her big bowl of water. You helping?
That's good enough for now.
Yeah, that's her stick to keep.
That's our hammer.
Oh, it's her hammer. All right, Espa and Gemma are gonna race to see who's the fastest. Wait, are you gonna run to me? Okay. Wait. Oh, okay. Oh, Esteban won. Having fun?
Yeah, please, I'll say bye.
You're playing with Esteban?
Get up, get up. You're halfway to the touchdown. Literally halfway. Muslims. Oh, shoot.
All right, you guys, we are now back from the farm. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What did you do?
But we touched the button and played soccer.
No, you played football. You played tackle football.
We tackled football.
And what else? Rode the four-wheeler?
And I checked the deer cam.
Checked the deer cams.
Now we to the camera.
Yep, she waved to the deer camera. And what else?
Then I played, I ate some buses. And I had some tips. And some blue juice.
And hot dogs. Yeah.
And bread.
And bread.
Yeah, it got big.
Whoa. And then you fed the chickens. You did everything, huh? Did you have fun at least? That's good. That makes me happy. So now it's bedtime?
Yeah.
And I think she's going to sleep good because she got to play hard today with Esteban. tackle football and everything. So she ran her butt off and played hardcore, didn't you?
And I don't want to turn to that card the
Oh,
camera.
what do you want to say?
And I hurt my pinky.
Oh, you hurt your pinky?
Yeah.
But is it okay?
Huh?
Yeah?
No, but no.
And she didn't cry either.
No.
Yeah, big girls don't cry.
No. My pinky open now.
Yeah, it's all better.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I guess on that little story time, we'll end this vlog here, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!
Say, bye, Mom. Love you.
Bye, Mom. I love you.
Say it again.
Bye, I love you, Mommy.
That burp stinks, Gemma. That is bad smelling.
Bye, Burp.
Bye, burp.